Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If Google Chrome is blocking your local development requests with a CORS policy error, the browser is strictly enforcing cross-origin security rules. I will show you how to temporarily disable this security check for local testing right now. Let's get started. First, you must shut down the browser to use a custom launch command that overrides default security policies. Close every active Google Chrome window currently running on your computer. Press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Windows Run dialog box. Clear any existing text inside the input field so it is completely empty. Next, you will launch Chrome with specific flags to disable the same origin policy in an isolated session. Type exactly chrome.exe space --disable -web -security space --user -data -dir equals C:\chrome dev directly into the run box. Press the Enter key or click the OK button to execute the custom command. Chrome will launch and display a yellow warning banner indicating that web security is disabled. Finally, you can safely test your API calls within this unrestricted browser window without CORS blocking you. Keep this specific Chrome instance open while you are actively testing your local web applications. Once you are finished with development, close this browser window to end the insecure session. Launch Google Chrome normally from your taskbar to return to standard, secure browsing. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.